Nothing, the London-based tech brand founded by Carl Pei, is preparing to launch its next-generation smartphone, the Nothing Phone 3, expected in mid-2025. Building on the success of its predecessors, the Phone 3 is rumored to feature a 6.5-inch OLED display with a higher refresh rate, a more powerful Snapdragon 8 series processor, and up to 12 GB of RAM for smoother performance. It will likely ship with Nothing OS 3.0, based on Android 15, offering a clean, bloat-free experience with deeper integration of AI-powered features. Leaks suggest that the company might introduce multiple variants, including a Phone 3 Pro and Phone 3 Plus, each catering to different market segments. As with previous models, the Phone 3 is expected to retain its signature transparent design and the glyph interface, possibly with improved LED lighting functionalities for enhanced customization and notifications. Camera improvements are also on the horizon, with speculation pointing to a 50MP primary sensor, better low-light performance, and AI-driven computational photography. Nothing has also hinted at a deeper focus on software optimization and ecosystem expansion, suggesting that the Phone 3 might integrate more seamlessly with other Nothing products, such as the Nothing Ear 2 and the upcoming CMF smartwatch. Additionally, faster charging speeds, a larger battery, and a more refined haptic experience could be key areas of improvement. With the smartphone market becoming increasingly competitive, Nothing is looking to carve out a niche by balancing premium design, innovation, and affordability. If the Phone 3 delivers on these expectations, it could be a serious contender against flagship devices from Samsung, Google, and OnePlus. As the official launch approaches, more details are expected to surface, keeping tech enthusiasts eagerly awaiting Nothing's next big reveal.